Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to import email contacts to ConvertKit email easily. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a free trial link. If you already have an account, just log in and follow along. First of all, after logging in, click on the Grow tab at the top menu and select Subscribers. This is where all your email contacts are managed. Next, click on the Add Subscribers button and then choose Import Subscribers. After that, you'll have two options. You can either paste the contacts manually or upload a CSV file. For larger lists, uploading a CSV file is the easiest way. Make sure your CSV file includes columns like email address, first name, and any custom fields you want to include. Once your file is ready, click Import CSV, select the file from your computer, and choose the tag or form you want to assign those subscribers to. This helps you organize your audience and segment them for specific campaigns. After that, click Import Subscribers and wait for the upload to complete. ConvertKit will process your list and automatically remove duplicates or invalid addresses. And that's it. Your email contacts are now successfully imported into ConvertKit. So, this is how to import email contacts to ConvertKit email. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful ConvertKit tutorials.